Understanding to throw a tantrum, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very expressive phrase used in the English language, to throw a tantrum. Whether you're watching a movie, reading a book, or engaging in conversation, understanding this phrase can help you grasp the nuances of English expressions better. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. The phrase, to throw a tantrum, refers to the act of displaying a burst of uncontrollable emotion due to dissatisfaction, anger, or frustration. Typically, it involves crying, shouting, stomping feet, or other physical displays of upset. While it's often associated with children, adults can also throw tantrums in various situations. Understanding where phrases come from can make them easier to remember. The term tantrum dates back to the early 18th century, but its exact origins are unclear. Over time, it has come to be specifically associated with outbursts of anger or frustration. Adding throw into the mix emphasizes the sudden and often uncontrollable nature of these outbursts. To truly grasp how to throw a tantrum is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. In a grocery store, a child might throw a tantrum if their parent refuses to buy them candy. 2. At work, an adult might be said to throw a tantrum if they react overly negatively to constructive criticism, perhaps by raising their voice or storming out of a meeting. 3. In relationships, someone might throw a tantrum during an argument, displaying intense emotions rather than engaging in calm discussion. When you want to use to throw a tantrum, it's important to remember that it's generally used to describe someone else's behavior. It's a phrase that carries a somewhat negative connotation, suggesting a lack of control or maturity in handling emotions. For example, I couldn't believe it when he threw a tantrum just because the internet was slow. My sister threw a tantrum when she lost her phone, even though it was just under the couch. Understanding the phrase, to throw a tantrum, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you describe emotional outbursts with precision. Whether you're discussing a child's behavior or an adult's reaction to stress, this phrase can add color and clarity to your descriptions. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with fascinating discoveries. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.